Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from POMO. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is just going to be checking out the new RLC Lamborghini Miura. I just gotten these in the mail yesterday and we shall open it up right away. I do like the new packaging. They could mail it out individually like this. I had ordered the maximum of 2 of them, so they came in like a fairly large box. So this is pretty nice. I think the packaging. This is a 1971 Miura P400 SV. Packaging's really cool on it. We'll get right into it. Crack this sucker open. This is like an antifreeze looking green color. Spectre Flame, of course. It does have specific wheels just for this car. They're new to me. I've never seen them used on any Hot Wheels before. Wow, this is really nice. Does have brown, can't tell if the seats are, looks like brown inserts or the whole seats are entirely covered with that camel brown. We'll go ahead and dismount it here. This thing is just absolutely stunning. I mean, this could be one of my favorite Hot Wheels of recent memory. Oh, well, that's from the base thing. Let's get those off. Wow, this thing is really cool. Gorgeous. But I'm pretty sure those wheels are brand new and maybe specifically just for this casting, because they work well. But what a beautiful design. That just is crazy. I wanted to bring in the Jay Leno one from 1998 and see how much of a difference. Yeah, it's a big difference there. I thought they were maybe the same casting or very similar dimensions. Man, they are completely different. This is from, I think it was sold in the 100% series box, perhaps. I forget how that was sold. I believe it was a black box, 100%. It's not bad. I always actually thought it was pretty cool with the wheels. Just need like a black wash or something to the wheels. But I remember it, I'm pretty sure this was sold under a Jay Leno tagline. It actually did. Maybe it came out of a bigger set. I forget. Can't remember if I bought this loose off eBay or where this came from. But anyway, either way. And then I'll bring in the Matchbox from a few years ago, and we will see the size difference there. That's pretty darn close. The Matchbox is really close to the same scale. You can see how wide the 71 is. I don't know what the... This doesn't have any opening parts, I don't think. But it does have rubber tires, I believe, right? Yeah. Absolutely gorgeous. When I was going to art school as a teenager, in my late teens, there was a bright orange Miura that used to just sit out on the main busy street near the art school. I always thought that was just so bizarre. Even in 1989 or 90, that was very unusual to see a Miura just sitting with dust on it and not totally neglected. It was definitely driven. I've heard other people say they saw the guy actually drive it in the snow before. But I used to only ever see it parked, and it was not a good section of town. So I always thought that was very strange to see, even in 1989 or so, to see one just sitting along a road that someone could easily, if they're distracted, could scrape the side of it. It's the only one I ever seen in person to this day. I don't think I've ever seen another Miura in person since. But it was bright orange and very cool. So the Jay Leno one is surprisingly a lot smaller. So I think the Matchbox, is that pretty similar to the size of the original Hot Wheels 1998 one? And it's a little bit bigger, a little longer. This was worth the money, in my opinion. This one's awesome. This could be one of my favorite Hot Wheels cars of modern memory. Really, really nicely done. I know it looks a little darker green on my video, but it is more of the yellowish, what I guess they would used to refer to as the antifreeze green Spectra Flame. It's more what I would say it is. Really, really cool. So I don't think I would sleep on this one if you want one. I'm sure they're popping up already on eBay. But this one, and I highly recommend. They did a great job on this one. Like, I like all the trim around the windows, looks really good. The details on the vents there on the hood look really good. And the eyelashes, I guess you want to say, on the headlights, everything looks really, really well done. Very cool. Alright, so thanks for coming along with me to check this out. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a like, share, all that good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it's free, and you can't beat free. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. You guys have a good night. Talk to you soon.